out of hunger, I'm making two types of pasta in one pot. I have the orzo and I also have the regular pasta. So this is the orzo, it looks like rice, and then the regular pasta. So both are simmering in the same pot with some prawns, and I'm also going to add some meat to it. So it's going to be like a meaty pasta. Hold on. I'm going to add this chunk of meat into the orzo and pasta cooking. Now the mixed meat has been added into the orzo and the pasta. So I'm going to stir it in and leave it to cook. And voila, my food is ready. Let me concentrate so that I don't fall the food from the gas. Okay, just imagine the goodness coming out of this pot. If you can perceive the aroma right now, oh geez, you're gonna start eating from the gas. So I can't wait for it to be ready so that I can dish and indulge with a glass of wine. So this is my orzo pasta, this is my falafel, and shrimps, no, tiger prawns, not shrimps, and some mixed lamb. So food is going to be ready soon, and I will share the picture. Join me. I know you're not here, but join me to eat. Thank you.